I just got Bruno a ball from the Mela and he's really scared of this. One thing because of the texture and second thing because it has a lightning and look at him. He is really fond of balls, but I think he's scared of this. Look at him. He's a Jack Russell plus pug, so the breed is called Jug. He's 1 year old. Look at him play. See, he wants to carry it, but he's scared because of the texture. Bruno. Looking the side eyes. He's giving us the side eyes. Now he's normal, right? But now look at him again. He's really scared of them. Look at him, look at him. Don't chew the plastic. But he's a really soft boy. I mean, he's not that aggressive. So even if I take this, he won't do anything. He's not so protective, and you know, I think it's also because look at it. Ah! Say bye, Bruno. Okay, so this is it.